Everyone's heard of DeWalt, one of the world's biggest manufacturers of power tools and one of the leading forces in cordless tools. And this is one of their latest cordless machines. I'm going to talk to you about the box. Comes in a nice robust carry case. This is actually one of their what they call T-stack cases, which means that you can clip it into other boxes, which makes them nice and secure in transit, or you can clip two together and carry them much more easily. Move it around, let's have a look at what's inside. That's the interesting bit, that's what we all want to have a look at. Nice robust catches, as always on the DeWalt. And there you have it, nice combi drill in the case, 2 batteries and a fast charger. Let's look at the business end. Let's just get these out there. That's your fast charger there. I'm not going to talk too much about that because it is what it is there. Charges nice and quickly in about 30 minutes depending on what your battery amperage is. Just going to put that to one side because I really want to talk about the machine. This particular model has the XR motor. It's 18 volt. It runs on the lithium ion platform, which is the latest technology of batteries. But this, if you can just see here, has the brushless motor. Now this is the latest technology in cordless drills. Most cordless drills forever have run on brush motors where you have 2 carbon brushes. They wear out and you have to replace them, so there's all sorts of downtime. These are much more efficient, the brushless motors, and they're much more longevity in them. So also, as you can see there, it's a nice compact unit as well, so it's great for if you're doing stud work or between joists or subframes. It's nice and compact and you can get those difficult to access areas and you can get in nice and tight and start working. It's a combi drill, which means it does normal drilling, it does screw driving, and it enables you to click to a hammer action to do masonry drilling as well. What we've got on here for those applications, you've got 14 torque settings which basically give you a different amount of pressure to screw in screws in different materials. So in plasterboard you might have a lower pressure, you don't want the screw continuing and going through and ruining the material. The clutch kicks in at a certain torque and clicks in so that the screw stops. So you've got 14 torque levels, which gives you a great variety, and it's easy to select on the collar there. Click round again, easy icons. You've got a normal drilling mode, that's very straightforward, and then for the hammer action, click round again to the hammer icon so it lines up there. Okay, so that's that. You've got 2 speeds. It's a variable speed on the trigger. I'm just going to put a little drill bit in here, put a wood bit so we can just see how this works. And this gives you extra control and versatility to the various materials that you're drilling in. Keyless chuck, nice and easy, and you just tighten it up. That's ready to go. So, first speed. Okay, as you see, you might see a little job light comes on underneath there straight away. So that, look how much control I've got on the trigger there. And that goes right up, and it's an instant stop, instant brake. Okay, that's speed 1, variable from nothing right up to that. Just click to speed 2, so if you're doing hammer drilling, you'd click on speed 2, or if you're doing drilling in steel, you would do the same. And again, you've got a slow start, you've got the control. You've got the control to start slow. Listen to the power of that. Instant stop. Just take a look at that again. Instant stop. Great mechanism. On a very efficient brushless motor. I'm just going to pop that out now. Nice and easy. As you can see, this, the light stays on for about 20 seconds and it illuminates up on to the work and then it automatically shuts off. Super feature. Other features, you've got this black bit here. That's a little magnetic bit holder. So for a screwdriver bit, you can just pop it on there. It's magnetic. You wouldn't use it for this, but see how powerful that is. That is a powerful magnet for your screwdriver bits. You can mount that either side of the drill because on the other side, you've got a handy belt holder. Got a belt loop there so you can put it on your belt when it's not in use. I'm right-handed, but if you're left-handed, you can just take the little screw out there and swap it around. We've talked about the torque settings. Let's talk about the power of the motor. As I said, it's extremely efficient. This has got up to a force of 60 Newton meters of torque. So it is a really very powerful machine for when you're doing drilling in heavier applications or screw driving. The batteries lock on nice and easily. Just depress the button, slide them on, release, and there you go. This machine is supplied with 2 batteries. You've got 4 amp hour, which is an absolute whopper, 4 amp hour battery, and also slightly more compact 2 amp hour battery. You will really have to do some work to run out of charge before one's charged up, because you've got a quick charger in the case as well. One of the other benefits with this kit, it's a really nice kit, is it's supplied with a USB charger. Okay, so how that works, you just simply slide this over the battery, lights come on, and you can charge anything. You've got 2 USB ports there. If you want, you know, you might need to charge your mobile phone. Let's just have a look. Slide that straight in, straight away, that comes on. There you go, you're charging. Or you can play an MP3 player. You can have 2 bits going on there at a time. Nice little addition there, because when you're on site or you're working in remote areas, there's not always power on site. And if your phone's run out and you need to make a call to someone, that can get you out of trouble. It's a nice little bit there, just slides off and slides on, and it also indicates that the battery has got plenty of power in it. 3 lights, that's fully charged, so it gives you an indication of the power that's in there. So there you have it, the latest 18 volt cordless drill, combi drill with lithium ion batteries in a T-stack case with a fast charger and a USB charger as well. All there, a smashing kit from DeWalt, and it's also got a 3-year guarantee when you register online.